Welcome to another video. I haven't made any new videos for CATIA V5, but I decided that I still like CATIA V5 a lot better than 3D Experience CATIA. Now, let's see. One of the main aspects is that I can just easily double click, for example, on part 1. This will take me, in this case, to part design, but if I want to jump, for example, to another workbench, I can easily do that, for example, generative shape design. If I want to edit this freeform, I can just double click on that subdivision. This will automatically allow me to use the tool palette. In this case, I can select, for example, those 2 points, and I'm going to slightly move them forward. We're going to see that now CATIA will recalculate that surface, and we're going to have that bulge added. If I will hide that plane, we're going to have the new design defined like this. So this is why I enjoy using CATIA V5 and not 3D Experience, because I have the possibility to just easily swap over here the workbenches. And in my opinion, this is really important. Because within 3D Experience, I've noticed that even though there are a higher amount of workbenches with better functionality, it is really not the best solution when you want to swap workbenches. So I think that this is one of the main reasons why people still prefer CATIA V5 to 3D Experience. I'm really curious what's your opinion regarding this. Did you transition completely to 3D Experience CATIA, or do you still enjoy CATIA V5? Okay, so I hope you enjoy this content. You're gonna find a similar video over here on the left side, and I will also add a subscribe button to the right. So that's it. Thanks for watching.